The long wait is over. The Bilstein 5100 is finally here. This truck here, the 3rd gen Tundra, has been around since 2022 and it is now 225. So it took a long time for Bilstein to get it, but it's here. This is the factory shock here. In comparison, it is about half of an inch taller over the stock. So we're gonna get it installed on this truck and show you what it looks like. So on the shocks here, you'll see there are different notches for different ride heights. Bilstein tells you not to use the very top one, so we went one below that. This one is supposed to give you 2.3 inches of lift. We measured the ride height before, so once we get this installed, we'll see what it actually gives. In the rear, we have the factory coil spring here on my left, and then we have what we're going to be putting in it. This is the Dobinsons 2-inch lift. This is rated for basically no weight to very minimal weight. You can see the height difference here. It's substantial, but it is a progressive spring. So towards the bottom, you'll see a lot more coils tighter together and then spread out as we get closer to the top. Well, that's the bottom because it's going to get flipped. But you can see the height there. So 2 inches of lift, we'll see what it actually provides. And then what we have over here, factory rear shocks. For those who don't know, the rear shocks don't provide any lift. It's all in the actual coil spring. So you'll see here, it is about an inch or so longer, the Bilstein is, over the factory shocks. Being that we have more travel now with the rear coils, you'll need a longer shock. So being that this has that, it's gonna actually give you some performance instead of just looks. So we got the Tundra all buttoned up, the alignment's done as well. Customer brought us these wheels and tires. These are a Toyota Open Country 35 by 11.5 by 20. So measurements, before, from the center of the axle to the bottom of the fender, in the rear, we were at 24. We are now at exactly 26, even with the wheels and tires in the bed. Now going to the front, same exact setup. We have from the center of the axle to the bottom of the fender flares stock, we're at 21.25. Now we are at 23, so almost 2 inches of lift. Bilstein quoted 2.3 inches of lift, but we're pretty close, but not quite there yet. But the amount of rake this truck has looks really good. But we're probably gonna be stocking this kit along with some other kits on our website as well as in our Denver location. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Our team can help you guys out. And if you're local, just come in and visit us. But if you're new here and not subscribed to the channel, let us know what you guys want to see and we'll get those made for you guys. We'll see you guys in another video.